Hello everyone, my name is Lisa Clark. I'm from Concordia Publishing House and I am the Senior Editor of Curriculum Resources. Today I want to talk about God's Living Water and specifically something that you'll find in the Children's Ministry Kit, which are these conversation cards. There are 4 different categories and they align with the 7 lessons that God's Living Water has to offer. Of course, if you are using the 5 lessons for your VBS, you're going to use cards 2 through 6. So keep that in mind. You can certainly use these when you are teaching, when you are going through the Bible lessons. You can literally keep these in your back pocket and pull them out as needed if you want to do something that's going to engage the kids or get them talking for a few extra minutes, whatever you might be doing for that day. The 4 categories we have: family fun, did you know, talk it out, and Bible trivia. Now, the Bible trivia is actually just basically review of what you've learned for the day. So Bible trivia card 3, which would be VBS lesson 2, who told Naaman about the prophet of God who could heal him? How many times was Naaman told to wash in the Jordan River? These are just things for kids to think about. Again, kind of Bible trivia. Not the most important points always, but just kind of fun to learn. And you can go through these throughout the week, or you can follow up on them later and just help kids see how much they can remember and how many questions they know by the end of your time together. Also, we have talk it out. These are ones that are really kind of fun because they're discussion questions that you might not always think about, things that could help you get to know one another better. So have you ever felt lonely or left out? How do people show love to you? How do you show love to other people? And these questions then connect actually to the account. So for example, when you think, what's your favorite drink? If you could have only one type of drink for the rest of your life, what would it be? Then the connection: God gives us everything we need, including water to drink. We sometimes complain and wonder if God really cares for us. He does. We can always come to him in prayer for anything we need. And that connects with some of the objectives of the Bible account about the water in the wilderness. You also have the category, did you know? So we have things like, let's see, for example, the same Bible account about the wilderness. How much of the earth's land is wilderness? About a fourth. Let's see, what is the most common fabric used today? Cotton, which comes from the cotton plant. That one has to do with the Lydia account, which is lesson 7 if you happen to use it. So these are just kind of fun things for people to know. A lot of times kids like to know fun facts. That would be this card stack. And finally, we have family fun. Now, certainly you can do some of these things with as your church family. There's an idea of paint with water colors or run through a sprinkler, to think about the water in the Bible account with, again, water with Moses striking the rock. Just different ideas. But one of the other things I want to make a point about is, of course, while you are a church family, this would be a great resource for families themselves too. So there's going to be a deck in your box, but you can certainly get decks for every family. Wouldn't need to be every kid, but every family that is engaged with your God's Living Water, however you are using that. Send these home with the families. They can get to know more things about the Bible lessons, the Bible passages that you're looking at, but also to get to know each other better too. Thanks so much for your time. As always, make sure you let us know if you have any questions, and we hope you enjoy as you continue to teach God's children His Word.